In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect CJ Dropshipping to Amazon. If you want your CJ Dropshipping workflow to sync smoothly with your Amazon store, this walkthrough will show you exactly where to click and what to expect. Keep your CJ dashboard open and we'll move at an easy, steady pace. On the left side of your CJ dashboard, look for the navigation panel. Find and click Add Store. This is where CJ lists all supported marketplaces and platforms you can connect to your account. When the list opens, select Amazon. Depending on your country, you may see Amazon available right away, or you might notice it isn't currently offered in your region. That's normal. Availability can vary by location and change over time. If it's available for you, click Install. This adds the Amazon integration to your CJ account and prepares it for authorization. Once the install completes, you'll see Amazon appear in your Store Connections area. That's your visual confirmation that the integration is now present and ready for the next step. If you don't see it immediately, give the page a moment to refresh or navigate back to the store list to reload the view. Next, click Add Store again and proceed to authorize the integration. Follow the prompts on your screen from start to finish. The authorization flow will guide you through granting CJ the permissions it needs to communicate with your Amazon seller account. Read each page carefully. Confirm you're using the correct Amazon account, and allow any pop-ups so the consent windows can open smoothly. If a tab opens for Amazon, just continue through the steps until you reach the confirmation page. After authorization is complete, return to your CJ store list and look for Amazon with an active or connected status. That indicates the connection is in place and CJ can securely interact with your store under the permissions you granted. From here, you're set up for a more streamlined workflow when it comes to product sourcing and order handling linked to your Amazon store. If Amazon wasn't available in your country during this process, no problem. Check back in the Ad Store area later, since platform availability can update over time. And if anything appears stuck during authorization, a quick page refresh and repeating the Ad Store action will usually pick up where you left off. That's the whole process. Click Add Store on the left, select Amazon, click Install if it's available, then click Add Store again to authorize and follow the on-screen prompts. You're all set.